I remember myself as a dib fiction kid.
Fluffy, not bald. Ugh. Bunny ears. My teeth weren't yellow. I wasn't that much of a bum. People would say I had sexy eye bags, not to brag though. I had this cool punk collar thing, but I eventually had to remove it due to everyone simping over me. I got uncomfortable. Bunny tail, just bunny tail. Evil battle scars. Band-Aid for aesthetic purposes, I guess? I don't really remember why I had it. My memory is hazy. Eyebrows. Pins to express myself because fuck the haters. Long, luscious eyelashes. Extra stuff for expression myself.